Hi, I'm Vincenzo Villamena CPA and founder of Online Taxman. Today we're going to talk about S Corp elections. And so an S Corp election is actually an election that you make with either an LLC or a C Corp. It's a way to optimize on your self-employment tax or your Social Security taxes. Now, the question is, when do you make an S Corp election? You need to make an S Corp election within 75 days of opening your LLC or your C Corp, or within 75 days of the first day of the year, which means March 15th. And so if you're an LLC and you want to do an S Corp election, then again, you have to do it by March 15th of that year in order for it to qualify. Now, we have been able to do a late filing election, although I'd strongly recommend if you want to go the S Corp route, you do it as soon as possible. It's not something that's easy to do at the end of the year or when you file your tax return. So when you make the decision to do the S Corp election, do it immediately. The way to do an S Corp election is by filing the form 2553. It's a form that goes through the shareholders in the S Corp and what date the election is, whether it's as of January 1st of that year or whether it's the date in which you opened up the company, etc. By doing that election, you only have to do it one time, and it's for the life of the company unless you revoke it. There are also several states that you also have to make that election at the state level. The most important state in that is New York. Now, an S Corp election is only done once, and it's for the lifetime of the company. However, you can revoke it. Now, who's eligible for an S Corp election? You have to be either a U.S. citizen, green card holder, or a tax resident of the United States. If you're not, unfortunately, you're not eligible for an S Corp, as well as any trusts or other companies cannot be a shareholder in S Corp. So it has to be an actual individual. If you have any questions on S Corps, feel free to reach out to us at Online Taxman. We're happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tax tips and information. Thank you.